Today's special recipe is yogurt. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel grow, and let's get right to it. As usual, my ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Pour your whole milk powder into a bowl. Add hot water. The water should be actually hot. Now you might be wondering why my water is milky. I mistakenly added milk to the hot water before I poured it, so just mix it around and then cover your bowl and leave it to cool down a little bit. My mixture has cooled down a little bit. It isn't too hot, but neither is it cold. So now just take a spoon and use it to skim off the white skin that has appeared on top of the milk. Fun fact, while I do my research, I discovered that it's actually called a lactodon. Having done that, it's time to add your live culture. Yogurt cultures can come in commercial freeze-dried form or just previously made yogurts with live cultures. So when you're buying your yogurt, the label should indicate that it has live cultures contained in it. Yogurt cultures need a warm place to go, so I'm going to be trapping the heat by putting it in a nylon bag and then further insulating it with a kitchen towel. And after doing that, I'm going to put in my yogurt at the top back end of my freezer for it to set. Top back end of the freezer is usually warm, so I'm going to be leaving it there. So think of the warmest place in your house that you can leave your yogurt for it to set. Now usually it takes 5 to 8 hours for yogurt to set, but I really like a tart tasting yogurt, so I left it for 13 hours. I'm one of those people that can eat a whole lemon roll, so I really enjoy sour tasting things. But if it's not your cup of tea, you can stick to 8 hours or at most 10 hours. Our yogurt has set really well, as you can see. It has separated into curds and whey because of how long I left it, but it's not harmful or anything. You can eat it like that. So at this stage, you can just add your sweetener and eat it, but I want it thicker, so I'm going to strain it. So I'm going to use my dishcloth to strain it. It's going to only let the liquid out and none of the solid parts out. After this straining, I'm going to save my whey. That's the liquid part. I'm going to use it for smoothies and baking. It's really nutritious, so don't throw yours out. You can save it and use it for other things. And this is the result after straining it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, and tell me what you want to know about next. Thank you.